So, starting our P6 classes with introduction to calendars. In P6, calendars occupy a very important role. So, basically, we have got three types of calendars. One is the global calendar, and the second one is the project calendar, and third one is the resource calendar. Global calendar is all the basic calendar which runs in the country or in our enterprise or company, whichever we have got lots of projects. So whatever in this year, the we have got a 5 day working week or 6 day working week or whatever holidays are there in the country. All these things or in our company, particular company, what all holidays are there, that will be the global calendar. That is it. But depending on various projects, we may have some certain projects may have 2 3 hour shift working, means some projects may be working for 24 hours also. So based on these differences, we can assign a particular project calendar to a project. And similarly, in this project, we may have certain resources. Resources means man, material, and equipment, machinery, like that. So each resource will be having, uh, generally they will be following the project calendar, but certain resources may have certain specific limitations. Like maybe some are working part time, or some will have different hours of work. So we can define for that particular resource that his calendar or her calendar and assign the that calendar to that particular resource, so that when we level the resources, we can check that the resources are not over allocated, like that. So without wasting much time, we'll just go into the P6 and watch how we do this. Okay, get a project calendar, and this calendar again we can assign to any resource like us. We have got here the enterprise and selected calendars, and we have got this calendar here. We can add anything and already. So now this calendar, as you can see here, it is a 5 day work week. Saturdays and Sundays are holidays. Now we can, for total work hours in a day, we'll check the work week. So each day we are having 10 hours of work. So this we can modify here. Like we can change these 10 hours to 8 hours, or if you want to work on Saturdays also, you can just put it like that. So you can see here, Saturdays have become a working day. The calendar. So we can change it directly from here also. If we take 8 hours, then it will be reflected here. 8, 5 days or 6 days here. Then we have got, okay, time periods, it is showing here 10 because it was previously 10. For each day, how much, what time it's starting and what time it's ending. The mornings, we can see here it's starting from 8 o'clock and ending at 5 o'clock, 8 to 5. Okay. If you want to make it no work, we can make it a holiday, or if you want to make it a working day, we can change this one in the calendar. We can set it according to our corporate calendar. And holidays also, if there are certain holidays, we can make this a no working day, no working day here, like that, given the whatever holidays we are having. So this is how we can modify this one. So as we have seen before, we have just modified this calendar. Suppose this is the one we have modified, and we can name this one also. We can just name it like 5 by 8 new calendar. Calendar has been named and defined. Now there are two more things we have to do. First, we have how we can assign a calendar to a particular project. So now for that we will just go here from enterprise, we go to the projects. All the projects are listed here, and this is the directory under which we have got one project, villa construction. So we'll just take this one, villa construction. Already it's open here. So from here we have got, in this one we have got a default for new activities. In this one there is an option for calendar. In this press the three dots and you will see we have got this 5 by 8 new calendar. Okay, this one you can press this button here and this will be assigned to the project. This is how we can assign a calendar to the project. So this is a project calendar. Now it has been defined. The resource calendar. Resource is a particular person, any engineer or any skilled person or any machinery, whatever. So we are having that resource. For example, we are having a person who is working on part time, or he has got 8 hours work day, which is different from the work hours for the whole calendar. So we can modify, make a particular calendar based on that person's requirement and assign it to that person. So we go here in enterprise, we just select the resources, and whatever resources are defined here, we can just add this calendar column here. So this calendar column we add it here, and now we can just select our calendar which we have defined here, 5 by 8 new calendar, and we assign to this person. Who is this person?